Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some white chocolate tarts. This recipe calls for caramelized white chocolate. I really enjoy caramelized white chocolate because I find it's not as sweet as normal white chocolate. I also find that it has a malt flavor to it, and I really enjoy that. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, combine 1.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons icing sugar, mix until well combined. Add in 150 grams of cubed butter. Rub the butter and the flour mixture between your hands until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Add in 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon iced water and mix with a fork until the dough forms. Wrap in cling film and place in the fridge for 30 minutes. Roll out your dough and cut small rectangles. Place your rectangles into your prepared baking tray. Dock the dough with a fork. Place a piece of parchment paper into each case and fill with pie weights. I use lentils. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, then remove the parchment paper and the pie weights and bake for a further 5 minutes. Allow it to cool completely. Melt 200 grams of white chocolate. The mixture will become a bit grainy, but just carry on mixing until smooth. Mix until you get a rich golden color. Add in 60 grams of butter and a pinch of salt and mix until smooth. Gradually add 3/4 cup of cream and whisk until smooth. Pour your mixture into your cool pie shells and place in the fridge overnight. Add some whipped cream and some white chocolate shavings and some fresh fruit. And enjoy some mini white chocolate tarts.